Heidi!
Hi! Welcome to Camp 2 of Mount Pulag. Mas malapit na kami sa peak from here. This is our campsite. Let me show you around. This is Jay and bisitahin niyo ako Ian's tent. Let me show you inside. Let me give you a tour. It's called the Big Fat Frog.
Yeah,
by
the Big
North
Fat
Face.
Frog.
Check it out. You can have a party in there. Party, party. At meron silang plant. Meron silang some sort of plant growing.
Foliage yan, dude.
Plant? Meron din tayong plant.
Okay, let me show you to our crib. This is our crib.
Yeah.
Also the Big Fat Frog. XY, pimping our place.
Pimping out!
Ayan. Ano bang ano natin? Altitude natin? Ko alam eh. I guess our altitude is 9 million meters above sea level.
Eat lang, te.
Ayun, so that's it for now. Work hard, party harder.
Yes.
Mamaya ulit, magbe-video kami pag medyo bumaba na yung fog. From Mount Pulag, this is Diane.
May extra daw sa likod, galing ng Balara.